Myself Patricia, your English teacher. Students, today we are going to see grammar chapter 22, simple past tense. In previous chapter we have seen present continuous tense. Now in this chapter we shall learn what is simple past tense. Now we use simple past tense to talk about finished action, states or habits in the past. With most of the verbs, the past tense is formed by adding ed. Some verbs are irregular in the simple past. Here are some of the common ones. So when we are using ed in past tense, we always see to the most common ones. That is, instead of be, we use was, were. For go, we use went. Know, knew. Give, gave. Have, had. Make, made. Think, thought. Buy, bought. Get, got. Say, said. So these are the most common words which we are using for simple past tense. So these words are used instead of be, go, know, give, have, make, think, buy, get and say. So these are the optional words which we are using for the past tense. We also use by adding ed in past tense. Now in simple past tense, we have subject, verb and object. In subject, we use you, we and they. And he, she, it and Sam. For example, you went to school, we went to school, they went to school. He went to school, she went to school, it went to school and Sam went to school. Now students, let us take some examples. For example, Archana and Vivek went to the market last evening. Archana bought a new dress, but Vivek did not buy anything. Why did Vivek not buy anything? He wanted to buy jeans, but he did not find any good ones. So all these verbs in the sentences are in the simple past tense. We use this simple past tense to express the action that took place some time ago. That means already it has happened. Now in simple past tense, we also use the past tense of the verb went, bought and wanted. In negative sentences, we use did not plus root form of the verb, that is did not buy and did not find. In questions, we put did before the subject and use the root form of the verb. For example, here, why did Vivek not buy? So Vivek is the subject and buy is the root form. Now students, here are some exercise which has been given to solve for you all. Here one of the exercise where you are going to add past tense which is given in the bracket. You are going to fill in the blanks with the past tense of the verbs given in the bracket. And the next exercise is you have to make the sentences negative. Whereas in the third exercise we are going to frame some questions for the given sentences. So students, I will be sharing this exercise for you all in the group. Thank you students.